Hi, my name is Narisha Arjun. I'm the CEO and founder of InDesigns. My business services include graphic design, branding and media, as well as social media marketing, content development and posting and scheduling, as well as business consulting. We've also recently started assisting a lot of businesses with business funding, assisting with their business plans, their compliance, and basically getting them funding ready. I started my business in 2020, so this year we celebrate 6 years of business, and I had started amidst heavy COVID. While it was an extremely difficult and stressful time to start a business, I've evolved from 2020 to now with different business ideas. Coming from a media space and as a graphic designer, predominantly that's what I started with, and then we evolved into social media marketing, content development, etc. What inspired me to start the business is that we look at businesses holistically. While we are trying to grow businesses and assist them with their funding and take their businesses to new heights, it's very important that businesses have great brand visibility and an online presence. So from InDesigns, we holistically look at businesses. We look at visibility, online presence, identify gaps, and then assist businesses to grow within their sectors. I would say definitely the thing that sets me apart in my business is my take and personal responsibility to my clients. I'm very hands-on, and my team and I work sometimes 24/7 to give our clients the best possible services and the best possible work that is also still speedy and aligned with their strategy for that business in their sector. What else makes us different is that our social media presence usually inspires clients, and it helps us to gain their trust, because if we can do it, then we can also do it for them. Some of the biggest challenges that we face as a business was starting in COVID was extremely difficult. Creating that brand trust and visibility within our own brand was one of the things that I worked very, very hard for. With social media or any type of business, as a content creator especially, it takes a lot of time to build that trust within your audience and to grow that audience. And we're very blessed to be able to have grown our audience over the past 2 years exponentially. So that was one of the challenges that we've overcome, is gaining our clients' trust. Initially, one of our challenges that we were having too much of work and not enough workers and employees. However, that has allowed me to expand my team over the past few months, and I'm extremely grateful for that. One of my proudest achievements and milestones is actually a very recent achievement, of which I have now, I have like 28,000 followers on TikTok. So that was one of my most recent and greatest achievements. Growing online and growing my social presence is something that's very important to me, because it's the way that I connect with my clients. It's the way that clients find me. I found that videos that were done in 2024 and 2025 are still getting great brand visibility now, because clients are aligning to what I've put out there and they are finding me. So that's one of my most recent and greatest achievements so far. Other achievements include, previously I was shown on the Next Billionaire as well. Some of my other most recent achievements is that I've grown my team from 1 person, which is just me, to now 4 people. We are a 100% BEE business, and all of my employees are female. They are female founders, which means they are my subcontractors, and they all have their very own businesses too. Recently, I also co-founded a platform with my co-creator, Jermaine Gavanda, and we have created a platform called Reinventing Her. Reinventing Her is a space made for women by women in the business space, helping working professionals and corporate girlies and business ladies to get ahead of their game and find some sort of support. All of our Reinventing Her ladies are based all around South Africa, which makes it a completely virtual system, and that allows us to emotionally support each other, financially support each other, and just be there for other businesswomen in ways that sometimes our family and friends cannot. While my business started through COVID, actually innovation and technology has come so far that actually has allowed us to now work with clients that are even overseas. We have international clients as well. So one of the things that make my business different is that we take a very personal approach to our clients. I get very personally invested in all of my clients' growth as well as how they are running their businesses to the best of their capabilities. While it is my job to make their businesses look as good as I can on social media, that also depends on how well their businesses are run and how well their systems in their businesses run. So as a business that's been running for 6 years already, it makes me absolutely excited of what the even next 6 months is going to look like. Over the past year, my business has had exponential growth online and within our business systems, within growing our team, and I'm excited to see what's next. What I truly want to do is be able to expand my reach on social media. I want to increase my following and my audience and reach at least 50,000 followers by December, and then also increase my visibility within clients that need me. While there are many followers and I'm growing my audience, it's important that the clients that need me find me and that resonate and align to what are the services that I'm offering to them. So within the next 5 years, definitely I'd like to expand my team. As a female founder, women empowerment is extremely important to me, and hiring employees and subcontractors that are female founders is of high importance. I do know that I want to expand my team and expand my reach with regards to my social media clients. We currently have at least 12 social media clients on retainer every single month for the past year, and one of my goals is to expand that to at least 40 by December 2026. As a founder, I started my business in a graphic design background because I'm from a media background. However, I myself applied for funding in 2021 and I was successful twice. When I told my story on social media, those videos absolutely went viral overnight. People were amazed that a young woman could be successful at funding because sometimes it felt absolutely out of reach for businesses. I'd like to hope that I've given a lot of hope and faith to small businesses while educating them on my platform. What then evolved is that I then started taking on business plan clients, assisting businesses with their compliance to assist them to be funding ready businesses. Many of the clients that come to us are running their businesses very, very well. Their owners are extremely educated. However, when they are applying for funding, they are just not ticking the boxes, and it's simple solutions. Therefore, we identify gaps, assist them with their compliance, and also assist them with funding-ready business plans that set them apart from if they, the owners, were applying just on their own. Business funding, compliance, company registrations has become an immense part of my business, and while funding is seasonal, we've actually expanded our team to just take on more clients so that we can assist clients that are applying for funding all year round. Business funding is something that's so important to the economy right now, as that's the only way that small businesses grow besides businesses investing in themselves. And as emerging businesses and SMMEs, it's not always possible for businesses to invest in themselves. This is why we rely on government assistance, which also assists us to create more employment so that we can bring the unemployment rate down.